South Korea has taken a major step forward in its independent defense capabilities, successfully conducting a flight test of a domestically engineered long-range air-to-surface missile intended for the KF-21 Boramae fighter jet. The Republic of Korea Air Force's 3rd Fighter Wing carried out the test using an FA-50 aircraft, confirming that the weapon can be safely deployed mid-flight. This achievement highlights South Korea's growing ability to develop precision strike systems without foreign assistance, an essential element of its strategic modernization. According to multiple Korean defense outlets, including Bimil, Chosun, the recent test underscores not only technological progress but also increased confidence in the export potential of the nation's aerospace sector. By building key components in-house, Seoul is pursuing a future where its most advanced weapons systems are not dependent on overseas suppliers or vulnerable to external restrictions. The missile in question serves as the flagship project for South Korea's next-generation strike munitions initiative. Designed for long-range engagements, the weapon incorporates stealthy design features, GPS-aided inertial guidance, and the ability to hug terrain at low altitude. While it is informally referred to as the Korean Taurus, it remains unnamed in official documents. The test involved the release of a dummy missile, which confirmed its aerodynamic stability and safe separation from the host aircraft, an essential milestone before integrating it into the more advanced KF-21 platform. Launched in 2018, the missile's development went through initial design validation between 2019 and 2021, before entering full-scale development in 2022 under the guidance of the Agency for Defense Development, ADD. DAPA, which oversees defense procurement and testing, ran a comprehensive trial phase from April to June 2025, logging over 30 test flights to evaluate the missile's physical and control characteristics. The latest test has cleared a critical hurdle by proving the weapon can be safely deployed without compromising the aircraft's systems or structure. This missile stands apart from older imports like the Taurus KEPD-350, currently fitted to the South Korean Air Force's F-15K fighters. While similar in mission profile, the new design leverages updated electronics, a more modular structure, and full compatibility with local production infrastructure. Importantly, the new missile reduces reliance on international suppliers, allowing South Korea to maintain operational readiness without the complications of foreign licensing or export restrictions. Its pairing with the KF-21 will offer a streamlined strike solution, a lighter, more adaptable system tailored to South Korea's geographic and strategic needs. The missile's design philosophy resembles systems such as Britain's Storm Shadow and France's Scalp-G, yet it remains distinctly Korean in its execution and intended use. From a regional defense perspective, the missile enhances South Korea's capacity for preemptive and retaliatory precision strikes, especially in high-risk scenarios involving hardened enemy targets. It also supports the nation's shift toward faster, more autonomous air combat responses, aligning with the tactics of key allies in the Indo-Pacific region. On the global stage, its successful integration into the KF-21 program could offer international buyers a powerful combination: an indigenous 4.5 generation fighter and a compatible standoff weapon, all sourced from a single nation. DAPA has allocated around €1.1 billion to this stage of the project, part of a broader €3.9 billion investment aimed at expanding the country's next-gen air combat arsenal. Although the missile has not yet been offered for export, its role in the KF-21 package strongly hints at future deals. Indonesia, a development partner in the KF-21 program, may be among the first potential customers, along with other ASEAN and NATO-aligned nations. More extensive testing will continue through 2027, including live warhead launches and final integration with operational KF-21 units. Full combat readiness is projected before the end of the decade. This successful missile test is more than just a technical win, it signals a shift in South Korea's defense doctrine. By combining an indigenous fighter jet with a locally built long-range missile, Seoul is building a fully sovereign strike platform that can serve both its own security needs and those of allied nations seeking alternatives to Western suppliers.